Hey everyone, it's Tej again, and today we're going to be making Korean-inspired chicken wings. One of my favorite recipes that I love to make for parties or just for a quick snack. So let's get into it. For this recipe, you're going to need some ginger, garlic, a green onion, some chicken wings of course. You'll need some gochujang sauce that you can find at any Korean grocery store. The stuff is delicious. Some light soy sauce, some rice wine vinegar, mirin, honey, or you can substitute that for sugar, and sesame oil. First step is to wrap a baking sheet with tinfoil and magically make chicken wings appear by snapping. Add those to the tinfoil with enough space so they do not stick together. Grab some sesame oil and a brush so we can oil our chicken wings and do a kickflip. Lather those succulent beauties so that they're all coated in sesame oil and don't even leave a centimeter of uncoated space. This stuff is delicious and will help protect your chicken from tearing. Give them a flip over so that we can coat the other side. You can use a different oil here like olive oil, but I think sesame oil will give you the best taste and the best aroma. Finally, sprinkle some salt over these bad chicken ladies and toss them into the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, or whatever that is in Celsius, for about 40 minutes or so. Now grab your garlic and smash it on the cutting board, and if you smash like and subscribe, every time you do this in the future, your garlic will cut itself. Take that and throw it into a saucepan, and then we're going to peel our ginger. The easiest way to do this is actually with the spoon. This will save ginger and time. Then use your knife to get it into a fine dice. Then bring your green onions over, slice the white parts thinly and chop the green part for garnish later. Toss all of that into your favorite saucepan, then add 1 part soy sauce, then add 2/3 part mirin. That's 2/3 the amount of soy sauce you added. 1/3 part rice vinegar. Then you're going to balance all that out with some honey. You want 1/3 of this mixture to be sweetener, so you can use sugar here if you wanted. Now you're going to bring all that up to a boil and scoop out another 1/3 part gochujang sauce and stir in while it's heating up. You're looking to get it to about this level of color and consistency. I would also recommend tasting as you go because you're looking for a perfectly sweet, salty, and spicy taste. Once your chicken wings are done baking in that delicious sesame oil, we're going to bring them over to our prep area and toss them into a bowl. Hopefully they didn't stick, but if they did, try and save as much skin as possible. Then pour the delicious sauce on top. Make sure not to pour too much, and I made a lot extra because I'll be saving this for later. Toss them all together, and I actually recommend not using something metal as this meat is so tender it'll be easy to accidentally tear it. So I recommend plastic or something soft. Once it's all coated, go ahead and give it a shake for the camera. Now time to make it look pretty. Sprinkle your green onions over the top and then make it rain sesame seeds all over your chicken wings. And that's it. There you have it. Perfectly delicious, spicy, sweet and salty chicken wings. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Peace.